Terin Humphrey from Bates City, Missouri.
Trains alongside Courtney McCool. Her coach Al Fong said that it is a testament to this young lady. She has done so much, endured so much, and always seems to just chip away and get a little bit better each time.
He said she survived the last 8 years, and he fully expects Terin to be a member of the Olympic team this summer.
Jam-packed routine. She's really known for doing a tremendous amount of difficulty.
Including skills like that, which are pirouetting skills. She takes huge risks. An extremely long exercise.
Very long.
3 release skills, lots of pirouetting action.
That was pretty smooth, though.
Gonna get a big score.